Hi guys, life update. Did I just said life very long? Anyway, today's Friday evening, like 10 o'clock, past 10 o'clock p.m. and I'm here to like just update you with what happened during the last few days. So I work from Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and yeah, I was so busy, but I was able to manage my time well. I had my paycheck already I'm happy. I'm still not able to budget my sinking fund. Tomorrow, we'll be going to a casino. Yes, guys, you heard me. Casino. So, there's this famous casino in Connecticut called Mohegan Sun. So, it's named after a indigenous group. Hey, we're going to Connecticut. Like ako. Hi, guys. It's already 7 a.m. and susunduin na kami. Opo, nasa backpack ko. Here's your key. Tayo. Saka ba pa? Lamig. Oh, grabe. Grabe po. Grabe po, lamig dito. Pasok na tayo. Lamig, grabe. Hindi mo talaga gustong mamasyal sa labas. Diyos ko po.
Thank you.
Ay, lamig, grabe. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Parang guide dito, information guide. So, dito tayo. Ang dami pa ng gate dito, no? Ito yung maabot pa ng 200. Greyhound South Gates. Naka-Starbucks tuloy ako. So, ang mahal. Hindi ako magkakape. Mahal. Saan na kami sa bus? Okay ka lang, Papa? Yes. Diyos ko. After 11 minutes na pag-hintay. Natok na ako kahit nagkape na ako. Anong lasa, Papa? Ang birthday. Abangan. Anong lasa?
Donkey.
That's it.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome aboard your northbound service making its way to Boston South Station via your Connecticut local. The schedule will be making stops in White Plains, New York. We should be arriving around 9:30. Then we'll have Stamford, Bridgeport, New Haven. New Haven is a halfway point. We should be arriving sometime around 11:10. Then we'll have New London, 12:30. We should be hitting the casinos, Mohegan Sun, Foxwoods around 1:30. 2:30 is going to be Providence. Last stop being Boston South Station. 3:50. We should be arriving in Boston. Mind you, those times given is not including weather traffic. or any type of construction we may face on this schedule. My name is John, and I'll be operator as This is New Haven, Connecticut. So sort of halfway point on the schedule. You guys will have 15 minutes. 15 minutes at this location. This is New Haven.
London na daw tayo. Sakit na ng katawan ko. Adobe. Next stop na daw, Buhiga. Sakit ng katawan ko sa kakaupo. Hello ka? Guys, napaka-depressive ng weather. We're here. Oh my God. Buhiga Sun. Pagkain sa buffet. Almost done with it. Okay ba pa? Sa tingin mga guys, meron din palang mga tindahan dito. Coach. Ito. Oh, tingnan mo, $200 a month lang, oh. Bangka. Char. Coach. Wala lang.
Nagpapangalan eh.
Wow, wait, waterfall! Yung direction. Ito parang mga inuman places. Hi guys, dito pa rin kami sa casino. Tawag dito. Mamaya pang 9:40 PM yung bus namin. Ito yung lobby. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito, ang laki ng lobby. Oh. Mali yung binook kong time na pabalik. Masyadong tagal yung hintay namin. Mali yung schedule na nilagay ko. Anyway, guys. Yun naman, masaya naman. Hindi naman kami nag-send ng pera. We used the $20 coupon dun sa kasama na dun sa bus ticket. So, we tried our luck. It's okay. Babalik kami ba dito? Baka hindi na rin. Ayun. So, it's currently 6:09 ng gabi. And hindi mo makita kung madilim na ba. So, nakarating kami dito kaninang 12:30. Yeah. 12:30. Ito nga pala yung CR pag walang tao. Iyak tuloy ako. Konti lang ang tao ngayong gabi, guys. Diyos ko po. Walang katao, guys. Sabihin nilang baliw ako. Anyway, nandito tayo sa CR ng Mahigang Sands Casino. Hindi tayo masyadong swinerte ngayon, pero ox lang. Pwede kang mag-photoshoot dito. Nasa Papa, keeps himself busy doing iPad.
Ito naman si Kuno.
What is it?
Jamie.
Yep. Yeah, that one.
This is New Haven. Bridgeport will be next.
May pa ng ganito kakapal yung snow.
Meron pa ito.
Wow, ang makapal na sa akin to sa standards ko. Char. Ay. Ang kapal na ng snow sa lagay kong to. Ang truck police. Char. Sino kayang bababa? We're back. Oh my God. Anong oras na? Alas 2 na. Ay, ako. Antok na ako, guys. Matawag na? Matawag na? Parang on time naman, no? Parang on time naman. Naabutan pa niya. Ang dami nila. Ano bang number ulit nun? 5
7 J.